We'll guide you through how to make and add a list of tables and figures in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, we need to go through each figure and table and we need to go and add a caption. So go and place your cursor just before each one. As you can see, I've got a mountain of rain here, and go to the top and go and click on references and click on insert caption. You'll go and get this pop up and you can then go and click OK. As you can see, it's now added it. You can then add a space in and you can go and customize this text as well. So you can highlight it, come back to home and go make it bigger and do whatever you want with it. And then go and repeat that. So here we have a table. I'll place my cursor just before it, click on references and then click on insert caption, press OK, and we've now added it. I'll put a space in. As I said, you can go and customize the text. So go and repeat that. And then once you're ready, go and choose where you want the table to be. Select references at the top and come over to the right and click on insert table of figures, like so. They've then got a few different options here. I'm just going to keep it simple and click OK, and it's now added it in. As you can see, you've got different figures here and then the page there on.